bad hair day again. But welcome to another vlog. It is Monday. It's a new day. Wanted to show you guys what we're dealing with. What I woke up to. It is snowing like crazy. Like, I'm pretty sure that's already snowed like maybe 2 to 3 inches, maybe more. I do it this way. Wow. With that being said, I think today's just gonna be a chill day. I don't think we're going anywhere, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. I'll be updating you guys periodically through it again, and yeah, it is really coming down, really snowing. Other than that, I'll catch you guys here in a bit. See you guys in a sec. It is snowing like crazy. Like, I'm pretty sure that's already snowed like maybe 2 to 3 inches, maybe more. I do it this way. Wow. Alright guys, thought I'd post a little something funny. So we have just hit 307 subscribers on our YouTube channel, 307 Bears. So thank you guys so much for that. Just thought that'd be kind of cool to let you guys know. Here's the screenshot of it to prove it. So we're matching with our subscriber count. That works. So thank you guys so much. What's going on, guys? So we are gonna go check outside because this is the most snow we've had since we moved here. So I'm gonna show you guys it too. Ready? Oh my god. The roads don't look that bad.
It's melting when it's on the roads, like where it's people
Gotcha.
drive through it. But
Alright.
look how tall it is along the
Right.
sidewalk.
Yeah, the roads are not bad at all. We could go somewhere if we wanted to. Oh, hi. Baby. Why?
No.
Why?
No.
Why? Oh my goodness. Even though the roads are fine, we could have a game night at your mom's.
No. Yeah. Is that really what you want?
I mean, it would be fun. Wouldn't it?
You know it's just gonna keep going, right?
Right?
Look how tall it is next to everything.
I'm saying we could have a game night at your mom's and just like hang out there. You know?
Yeah.
It is snowing. Here is our view before we walk outside. That is the snow. There's snow everywhere. That's awesome. I love it. Alright guys, so change of plans. We are not hunkering down today. We're actually going over to our mom's house for a game night. Yeah, I know it sounds kind of crazy because obviously it's snowing and it
Smells weird in the hall.
does smell really weird in the hall.
There you go.
Somebody wiped off a bunch of snow off my car.
No. This is our ideal spot.
Yeah.
Ready?
As ready as I will be. Alright guys, we're gonna go out in the snow. You guys are gonna be with us. So here we go. It's gonna be cold. Ooh, yeah, slush. We gotta be really careful. Oh my god. Is your side okay? Hey, question. Alright guys, we're in the car right now. It is absolutely insane. How much would you say we've gotten? 8 inches?
Quite a few inches.
Yeah, it's, my shoe is covered. Alright, we're gonna drive over there and we'll update you guys here in a bit. Alright guys, we are at her mom's house. We got here, the roads are a little bit worse than I thought they would be. But we got here safely. That's all that matters. We might be snowed in here tonight. We don't know for sure. So if we are snowed in, we may have to stay the night here. But that's okay because
We'll get it figured out.
that's perks of guest bedrooms, I guess. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head on in here, and we'll update you guys once we're inside. I'm not gonna film while doing this because I don't want to slip and bust my butt and break my phone. So see you guys in a second. All right, snowstorm of April 3rd, 2023. Is it the 3rd?
I don't know.
This is okay, so, and this is normal, right?
Yeah.
This is normal for Wyoming in April.
Yeah.
Well, this is more snow than we had before in that last storm, so. All right, guys. We're in. We decided to shovel her mom's walkway a little bit. Made a little path when they pull up, so at least they don't have to walk through what we walked through, because that was ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. I'm sorry, baby. I did not mean to put you in that. Well, when we pulled up and you had to walk. I'm sorry. I should have probably gotten out and like, yeah, we're eating some chips.
Shall we?
Celery with some peanut butter, and we're just waiting for her mom to get here. And yeah, so we'll update you guys here in a little bit.
Thanks, babe. Age of reason.
So what's the reason? I'm not in on it.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. That was
I
mine.
think that was Crystal's.
And
Or was that yours?
if you guys enjoyed today's content, go ahead and smash that like, subscribe button.
I think this one was mine.
Twittergram, TikTok, links are in the description. Oh my God, you are full.
He's like, I love you, Eric.
What?
Look at his eyes. He's like,
Oh my God, dude. Hey, what the?
he's like, you left me out
Oh
there
my
all day.
God.
Just look at Eric like,
Oh my God, bro.
He's made for that.
All right, guys, and with that being said, have a fantastic day. He's like, why?